Shopify has recently introduced their new pricing plans, in which new Shopify customers can get access to Shopify Basic Plan for 90 days for just $1. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about how this new trial feature is going to help new Shopify customers to start and build their e-commerce empire. You see, Shopify's pricing plans are usually a bit costly when you're just starting your online store. But when it comes to ease of use, Shopify has no comparison. Plus, after the introduction of this new 90-day trial, Shopify has already crushed all the pricing objections. Needless to say, Shopify has now everything that you need to sell online. If you want to start an e-commerce store, this 90-day trial will definitely gonna be really helpful for you. Shopify also has a $5 started plan, in which if you have a huge social media following, you can directly start selling your own merchandise on your social media handles. Their flexible pricing plan will help you in long term for sure. Another thing to note here is, Shopify is providing step-by-step video training on how you can set up your own e-commerce store. Since it's the most easy-to-use software in the market, you do not need to hire a developer to develop your store. Plus, its clean back-end tracks and provide every data that a business owner need to know about their business. You can literally build your e-commerce store within 3 to 4 hours using Shopify. So, if you haven't signed up for Shopify due to pricing issues, maybe this is the right time to get started and work on your business. You can use the first link to sign up for Shopify's free trial. Thanks for watching this video.